Let's see if this will focus today. Indy, say hi. Okay. Hi guys. So I know it's been a very long while. Hello, my name is Amaya if you're new here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I haven't been here in a while myself, so it's my little welcome back to me. Basically, moral of the story is I'm going to visit my boyfriend. He lives in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm traveling from Jersey to Charlotte in 2 days. So we're just gonna be doing a lot of prep, a lot of get ready with me to travel. First things first, started with this horrific room because it is a what the hell? Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Well, anyways, don't look at that. Yeah, I have class today at 6, so I have like an hour and a half, but I do have got my little carry-on and my little bag that I'm gonna be bringing. I just basically have to wash clothes, I have to pack, I still have to get my nails done, my eyebrows done, and my lip done. Not my lips done, but like my lip threaded. And I have to do a bunch of homework for my classes. I also just got off work, so yeah, we're just gonna get into it. So hello.
That's me.
I've gotten changed and I'm on my way to the nail salon.
I want to go home. Like, I can't take the pressure of it.
Just left the nail salon. I couldn't record me doing my eyebrows and lip because like that was just real intimate. Also hurt. That was the first time I've gotten threaded in a while, but I wanted the sharper look, and like I feel like you only get that when you thread. So for my acrylics, going to a nail tech. I'm very excited because her work is so cute, and like she's just gonna eat. I'm doing like black French tip with like Hello Kitty charms and stuff. It's gonna be so cute, but I just wanted to like be matchy. But I'm really digging the black French. I don't like all black toes, not my thing, but the black French is kind of eating. Okay, so I'm back home, still very red and irritated. Toes are done. Little black French tip moment. I don't know if they'll focus. Yeah, my little zonies, not for free though, chill. I'm on break right now. I'm in class, but I'm on break, so I'm gonna throw some laundry in the washers. Okay, so I've got one load in the wash. I got the other 2 sorted. I'm in class right now. We're back from break. Gonna be drinking my coffee, eating my little snack, and locking in for a little bit. But I'm gonna be doing clothes in between our breaks, so I'll update you when I update you, girl. There we go. Good morning, friends. So last night I completely forgot to pick up my camera again. I was doing laundry and I was doing homework, and my friend Erin came over for a little bit and we did homework together. And then I literally showered and went to bed. But I just woke up. It's 9:12 and my nail appointment's at 12 o'clock. So the plan is to kind of get up, finish my laundry. I want to cut down my nails and stuff and like eat. I gotta go grab cash, and then I just want to be ready because the place is like 30 minutes away. We're just gonna continue our maintenance and getting ready. So montage in 3, 2, 1. Guys, my bathroom was redone and it's literally so cute. But anyways, I need to wash my face. You can see me. So, I mean, you guys wouldn't know because I haven't talked to you in forever, but I got my belly button re-pierced and she's been a little bit irritated, but like she's been doing okay the past couple days. There was a minute there where she really had me concerned, but like I did go over scar tissue and like I kind of already had like not a keloid, but like a little baby thing irritation. I just ran out. Well, that sucks. I have to like put in my shampoo and conditioner. I got like mini bottles of stuff, mini bottles that I have to fill with stuff. I got a container for my shampoo and conditioner. And laundry is going right now. I'm gonna get dressed and ready, try to clean up this room a bit, and just definitely make sure all my clothes are folded before I leave. Also, I'm sorry if I'm talking a lot. Like sometimes I just be rambling, so if I cut like half of this out, I wouldn't even be surprised. Right before the end of the semester, I wanted to start getting back into filming. I literally did a whole like day of my life during finals. Got some really good content. I spent like 5 hours editing, and then something happened with Final Cut and it all got deleted. So that was super disheartening, and then I just completely got turned off to editing in YouTube because I was like so mad. But yeah, so I kind of just shut down for a while. That was also at finals, so like I was too stressed to try to be sitting there to edit a whole video again. But I wanted to get back into it, and I wanted to do a cute little vlog and a cute little time capsule of like my trip and going to visit. So here I am, picking her back up again. I have a lot of good content that I could be doing, so we'll see how it goes. I just finished breakfast. I'm gonna get dressed, so outfit change in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I kind of lied. I literally am still wearing the same shirt because I just didn't want to put on anything else. Just keeping it simple because I'm gonna be sitting in a chair for like an hour or two, so I gotta put on my rings. I hope it's 30 minutes exact because I'm literally leaving and it's like 12:30 on the dot, and my appointment's now at 1. I wish I still had a car tripod. Truthfully, I have no idea where it is. Ooh, it's saying 33 minutes. That's rough. Okay. Also, I don't know if you guys have seen the Spider-Man movie, but if you haven't, you need to go see it. It's fucking fantastic. I don't want it to fall. I've literally been up since 8 in the morning, and I'm like mad at myself that I'm running late, because why am I running late? Girl, you had so much time. This is such a dangerous intersection. I don't understand. Alright, girl. If you're gonna go, then you need to go. I just got here. I'm only 5 minutes late, which is still bad, but I did text her and I was like, I'm so sorry, I'm running a little bit late. She was like, no worries, you're good. I also have to see if she's like okay and comfortable with me recording anything. If not, just show you guys after, because I kind of get anxious myself to record anyways, but we'll see. Holy kashmoli, it's literally 3:24. That took so much longer than I thought, but they're so... Are you kidding me? These are the cutest nails I've ever had in my whole life. They're so pretty. Also, just to give you guys like a closer look, that's them. Super cute, super cute. I wish my camera would focus. There they go. These are so pretty. Okay, we have made it to the spot. I literally only need one thing. Oh my god, it's windy as Jesus Christ. I literally look like a hobo right now. Let's not talk about it. We've made it to the Sephora, and I'm gonna go inside and try not to get social anxiety trying to film in there. So it's a Sephora and a Kohl's, not like a Sephora. Hopefully they have what I'm looking for, but where's skin? I see Drunk Elephant. I'm not seeing Glow Recipe. I am just kidding. I found it, and I just need one of these. And that's literally it. Toner has been acquired. Little mini haul for you guys. I just literally picked up a mini because I have the ginormous one and I couldn't bring that with me. So alright, I've gotten back home. I sat in traffic for literally 30 minutes. Period. I did get a package. I got a mirror for the trip and then it broke, so I got it refunded and just ordered another one. I'm being very cautious with this one so I don't break it. My little mirror. Okay. Okay, whew! But how cute is this? And then it has a little...
3 hours later.
I have on Never Have I Ever. Here we go. Packing mode. I've got all my stuff folded now. I made a packing list a few days ago with a bunch of stuff that I want to make sure I get.
Two hours later.
I just got out the shower. I had to wash my hair and shave my legs, and it's literally already 2:30. So we need to be leaving within like the next 10 or 15 minutes. I'm pretty much ready. All I have to do is finish getting dressed, just brush out my hair, and then I'm really done. I have literally everything packed up except my hedge and stuff because I had to finish getting ready in the shower. The shoes I'm gonna be wearing, the rest of that stuff. But yeah, I didn't realize the time like flew because literally 2 seconds ago it was 10 o'clock. And I was like, oh my god, the time's going so slow. And now I'm literally rushing. I mean, it's like early in the morning, and I feel like it's just not gonna be the end of the world if we don't get there exactly 2 hours before the flight. But okay. Damn, I packed my brush up and everything. Ugh. So we have made it past TSA. Running a little bit late, not really, but it's like 3:47. Doing pretty good on time right now. We were panicking because we didn't know if the TSA line was gonna be long. It was not. I was in and out in like literally 5 minutes. I'm so excited. I love traveling. Something about the airport. Pardon if I don't record the whole time if I get social anxiety, because people are just very to the point here, you know what I mean? Like I didn't have time to dilly-dally because I feel like they were just wanting me to get the fuck out. How do I go to the bottom? Oh, I'm on 30. It's gonna go to 2. Just kidding. Like, this is cool. Period. I had yogurt and coffee on the way here, so I'm like wide awake. I'll probably do some reading and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera on for now. It's a little bit easier this way. I'm in gate A7, so I'm just gonna kind of make my way there. It's so quiet right now. It's so nice. This is the first time I've ever traveled alone, by the way, so sorry if I'm being super touristy.